would you like to earn $10 every day without doing anything? After that, stick around until the end of this video because today I will show you 2 apps that will pay us $10 a day to do nothing. Yes, you heard it right. And also, there is only one thing that you need, a smartphone. Just install these 2 apps on your phone and you will earn money every single day on total autopilot. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. And if it helps you a bit, hit the like button and share it with others. Now let's start the video. This is the first app that will certainly pay you to do nothing. Take a look at this. Turn swipes and tap into cash to earn $5 a day. So it clearly says that we can make up to $5 a day by using only this app. But if you want to earn $10 a day, keep watching because you need to utilize the second app as well. Anyways, this app right here truly pays you to do nothing. Also, one of the best thing about this app is that this is available on both iOS and Android device. You can download this app for free from the App Store or the Play Store. First of all, I want to say that by doing this technique, you cannot become rich. I suppose everybody right here knows that. Don't expect to make thousands of dollars daily with these 2 apps. You will earn around $10 a day with these 2 apps and don't spend that $10 on stupid things. I have seen lots of people spend every dollar they earn on some stupid things. So don't be like that. I highly recommend you to save that amount because let's say you save $10 every day for 1 month, you will certainly make $300. And if you save the $10 for 2 months, you will certainly make $600. After 3 months, $900, and after 6 or 7 months of saving, you will have a few thousands of dollars. Then you can invest that money into a real online business. You can start your own online business, affiliate marketing, drop shipping, drop servicing, YouTube or any other business. Alright, that's not the point. This video is not about how you can save cash. So let's return to the app. The way this app works is that you will certainly need to download this app for entirely free. Then it will show you some ads on your phone which you can tap or swipe. So after that, you will certainly earn money. It's very easy. All you have to do is swipe or tap. Every time you open up your phone, this app will show you some ads and you want to swipe them or tap on them. So by just swapping ads, you can earn up to $5 a day. Now, you might be asking how to withdraw earnings and what are the payout methods. So look at this. What rewards can I redeem? First, you can withdraw your cash via PayPal or bank transfer. Now look at this. When can I redeem rewards? Minimal redemption is $2 or $5 depending upon where you are earning money and what kinds of rewards you select. Once again, this app will pay you up to $5 a day just for doing nothing. As well as the name of this app is MoveCash. Yes, this is called MoveCash. Okay, now this is the second app that will pay you to do nothing. This app is one of my favorite apps to earn passive income. With this app, we don't even need to swipe anything to make money. It will pay us for doing absolutely nothing. What you need to do is install this app on your phone. It's 100% free. After that, this app will make you cash each day on complete autopilot. Also, unfortunately, this app is not available for iOS devices. Only Android users can make money with this app. If you are utilizing an iPhone, unfortunately, you can use the first step. And if you are an Android user, you can use both of them to make free passive income. If we scroll down below, we can see that they have several withdrawal approaches including PayPal. Also, take a look at this to make money using your phone for doing nothing, absolutely passive income. If you are wondering what the name of this app is, this is Cash Magnet. Once again, this is called Cash Magnet. Then, that's just how you can do nothing and earn $10 a day with your phone. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and share it with your friends and family. If you enjoy our videos, subscribe to our channel and press the bell button. Let us know how much money you make by using this approach in the comments below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.